Hello. Well, we are excited you decided to join us as we learn together about Coaching for Momentum, a social emotional approach to classroom coaching. But before we start our virtual learning journey, here's a little background on how Coaching for Momentum began.
The course was designed for you by a team of coaches and SEL specialists who work together at Momentous Institute in Dallas. We've had the honor to work with many teachers in several projects, including Head Start preschools, multiple elementary campuses that are public, private, and charter schools, and faith-based organizations really all over the country.
We began coaching teachers at the intersection of mental health and academics, with the intention of supporting the explicit integration of social emotional skills into the classroom. Knowing that many of the findings from research about social emotional learning don't necessarily get translated into practice. We continue to study experts such as Jim Knight, Dr. Vanessa Rodriguez, Elena Aguilar, and others to find ways to apply their methods to our coaching practice. You will notice in our time together elements of their work and influence. So, what will we learn?
First, we're going to study frameworks and models that structure our coaching practice. And as we examine those lenses of social emotional health, we're going to learn how trauma and equity also impact our work with teachers. We're going to offer a new view on the coaching cycle and how it can influence your coaching practice. And then we're going to deepen awareness about different elements that influence teaching and learning, specifically 5 types of awareness that play a very critical role in understanding and supporting teachers. We're leaning in on research from Dr. Vanessa Rodriguez, who wrote The Teaching Brain. She revealed a complex array of awarenesses that she has categorized into 5 overlapping topics. And deepening our understanding in these 5 types of awareness is really the main focus of the course that we're going to offer you. What are those 5 awarenesses? Well, there's self, the learner, the interactions, the context, and the practice. Just a short summary to give you an idea of what's coming. Awareness of self focuses on how the educator builds awareness around themselves, the personal and professional factors that really impact learning, as well as their overall social emotional health. Then the awareness of the learner, obviously being aware of the ability to recognize that learner's developmental ability, as well as their trajectory beyond that immediate teacher interaction. And interaction, of course, is vital, and that's our third awareness, featuring 2 specific interactions. The first between the teacher and the student. The second focus is on adult interaction. Coaches and teachers, and of course the teacher and the administrator. Those are all things that impact a teacher's work. The fourth is awareness of context, which focuses in on factors that indirectly impact teaching and learning, but have a significant influence. And specifically, we're talking about race, culture, community, school, and family context. And the last one is the most traditional, and that's what coaches do, is to focus on the integration of academics, but also weaving in social emotional learning.
As we dive into these 5 types of awarenesses, our goal is to translate research into evidence-based and in-the-moment practices, things that can really help educators navigate the thing we call teaching, right? We hope you see the value of a social emotional approach to coaching, that you get traction and gain expertise and momentum in the important work of building a healthy and connected community of educators and students. Most importantly, we hope to build a network for sustainability. We cannot do this work alone. Again, welcome to Coaching for Momentum, a social emotional approach to classroom coaching. We look forward to seeing you soon and learning together. See you soon.
See you.